Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be opening Accio Box for January of 2019, so this is the first box of the year. I really love Accio Box because it has unique items in it. Like every time I open it, you never know what you're going to get. Whereas with the other subscription boxes like Geek Gear, while it's a great subscription box, I love Geek Gear, but it always kind of follows a formula. And in this, you could get anything really. And Accio is a cruelty-free box, so that's really cool. I really love that about Accio. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So right off the bat, we always have the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff. It would be whatever your house color is that you choose when you subscribe. And inside, I'm just going to try and grab something random. Oh, except for the packaging. That doesn't count. I thought I was like handling a necklace or something. Okay, yeah, let's just get that out of the way. I feel what feels like maybe a bag of some kind. Yes, it is a bag. Ooh, I like this. It is a bag. I could put like my DIY, this could be like my DIY travel bag. I could put my X-Acto knife in there and some other things. Too bad a ruler won't fit in there and a cutting mat. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, it's really good quality too. All right, let's see what's next. Feels like pencils? It is, it's pencils. Oh, and it says Mooney and Wormtail, Padfoot, and Prongs. So this is like pencils for the Marauders. This one says, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. This one says, mischief managed. That's really cool. So these could definitely go inside that bag. It's like a little art bag. Okay, I feel a booklet of some kind. Oh, cool. I solemnly swear that I'm getting stuff done. Mischief managed. That is really clever. This is a notepad and checklist in here. So yeah, I really like the design of this. This is really cool. I definitely like procrastinate on things and like forget things a lot. So this is going to save my life because this is going to be fun to mark things off on this checklist. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Looks like a pin. So this box is definitely Marauders themed because this pin is also Marauders themed. As you can see, I'm trying to get it without a glare on it. You can see it has all the Marauders on this pin. Let's see what else we have in here. The t-shirt. I always love the t-shirts in Accio Box. Again, oh man, I just love them. They feel so comfortable. So this one has footprints on it, and it's one for each of the Marauders. That's a really cool shirt, and I can already tell this is going to be extremely comfortable. Now, I don't think there's much left in here. Let me see. I think this might be the last item. And it's sealed in a box. Yeah, this is the last item. So let's see what's in here. Here we go. What is this? I didn't look on the envelope and read it, but it is a Marauders Map Perpetual Calendar. So this one up here changes the day, and this one changes the number of the day of the month, and then this one changes the name of the month. So that's really cool. So that is everything. Let's take a look at the cheat sheet real quick. So we've got the t-shirt, obviously the Animagi or Animagi. Is it Animagi or Animagi? Anyways, Animagi paw prints, super soft t-shirt. Like I said, it is super soft. And then the pencils that we got are colored as the house color. So this is yellow for Hufflepuff. If you were Slytherin, they'd be green. And yeah, you know what I mean. And then we've got the Mischief Makers pencil pouch. So these are kind of like a set. The We Solemnly Swear pin is by MugglebornSisters.com. The Mischief Managed Checklist notepad is designed in-house, I believe. It's an Accio Box exclusive. And then of course we have this perpetual calendar. And this was designed by Kathleen of Ardently Crafted. And if you want to see more designs by Kathleen, you can find her on etsy.com/shop/ardentlycrafted. Now, if I had to pick 2 items out of this box that are my absolute favorite, this is going to be tough because I do really like this shirt. Just, it feels so comfortable. And I like that it has the footprints of all the Marauders on it. That's really neat. But I really also like this bag and this checklist. So those 3, it would be hard to narrow that down to 2. I might just go with the shirt because it's gonna last longer than the notepad if I actually use this. I don't know. You tell me, let me know what your favorite was. And if you had to pick between my 3 favorites, which one would it be? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you're interested in trying out Accio Box and seeing if it's something that you're going to enjoy, you can sign up for 15% off with the discount code Muggle Magic. That's all caps, no space. And when you sign up for a month-to-month subscription, you will get 15% off your first box. And so yeah, that is it for this unboxing. If you want to see more Accio Box unboxings or other Harry Potter related unboxings, and I also do Harry Potter DIY videos, which is what my channel primarily is for Harry Potter DIYs. So if any of that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, that was it for this unboxing. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.